You're married and settled down too?
My big mouth.
That's great. So tell me, what's your wife like?
Wow, these stars sure are starry.
Okay, now I get it. She's someone I know, isn't she?
Long time no see, Trunks.
It's Android 18!
Wait, Trunks, just calm down. That's her. That's my wife. We got married. 18's my wife.
Hi, Dad! Hot time!
Marin, shouldn't you be in bed by now?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing here anyway?
Well, you didn't come home, so we came to check on you.
Sorry, there's been a lot going on. Don't be mad.
Is he scared of her?
I've heard what you did. You killed me off